Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Thursday, 17th December 2020. It's your maths period and today our topic is lunar calendar. It's page number 151. Students, do you know there are total 12 months in Islamic calendar? Islamic calendar is also called Hijri calendar and lunar calendar. Students, do you know Muslims of all over the world follow lunar calendar or Islamic calendar? There are 29 or 30 days in a Islamic month. Each month begins with the sighting of the moon. Let's revise Islamic month's name. Students, do you know there are 12 months in Islamic calendar? First one is Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal. Next, number 4 is Rabiul Sani. Next, Jamadul Awwal, Jamadul Sani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Zulqaad, Zulhajj. These are the 12 months of Islam. So students, open your notebooks and maintain your pages. Draw margin line on both sides of the page. After that, write classwork Thursday, 17th December, 2020. Topic is lunar calendar. It's page number 151 of countdown. Our exercise is write in the blanks. Number 1 is the first month of the Islamic calendar is dash. Tell me which is first month of the Islamic calendar. Look at this, students. Which is first month? It's Muharram. Muharram is the first month of Islamic calendar. So we write here Muharram. Muharram is the first month of Islamic calendar. Next, B part is dash is the month of fasting. Students, do you know which is the month of fasting? Yes, it's Ramzan. Which month is the fasting month? It's Ramzan. Next, third is dash is the month of performing Hajj. Students, Zulhajj is the month of performing Hajj. So we write here Zulhajj. Zulhajj is the month of performing Hajj. Number 4 is Ramzan comes after dash. Students, look at this. Ramzan comes after Shaban. So we write here Shaban. Shaban, Shaban. Number 5 is Eidul Adha is celebrated in the month of dash. Eidul Adha is celebrated in the month of Zulhajj. In the month of Zulhajj. Next, number 6 is Muslims around the world celebrate Eidul Fitr in the month of dash. Students, Ramzan is the month of fasting and first Shawwal we celebrate Eidul Fitr. So it means Muslims around the world celebrate Eidul Fitr in the month of Shawwal. In the month of Shawwal, because after Ramzan comes Shawwal. So we write here Shawwal. Shawwal. WAL, Shawwal. So students, this is your classwork. You will write these blanks on your notebooks, and your homework is you will learn Islamic month's name, and after that you will solve countdown book page number 151 and send me your work. Students, now again revise with me Islamic month's name: Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramzan, Shawwal, Zilqa'at, Zilhaj. Okay, do your work in a neat handwriting and send me your work. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.